Hey, 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 man. Say, man, it's your boy Take the CV. I'm back with another video. Now, I know I ain't posting in a minute. I know my setup look different. I'm finna explain the whole thing where I've been on all that. So, first thing first, welcome to NTV Cribs, my Cash Money Mark. I'm just playing with y'all niggas, bro. On a real note, bro, the reason I ain't been posting, bro, I moved. As you see, I got a new, this my room. I just moved like yesterday, like completely on some like officially moved shit, but hell yeah. Like, if you follow me on Instagram, you know I've been doing, but yeah, room, you feel me? Some slight little room setup, you feel me? Like my desk and shit used to be my room where I do all my YouTube videos, but I got a whole office now, so TV mounted, got the P5 on the nightstand. I'm gonna get a little table right here and then get a new nightstand for in the corner and shit, but got my mirror, got my closet and shit. And then, boom, guest bedroom. This bed don't got a box spring yet, so I ain't put the mattress and shit and the sheets and shit. So little nigga, so Charlie. What's up, buddy? What's up, twin? What's up, twin? You good, boy? You good, twin? Twin. Alright, but yeah. So, next up, you feel me? We got the upstairs bathroom. Slight shit. Go ahead, bro. What you tripping about? Got the upstairs bathroom. There's another bedroom right there. And then it's a little closet. So, boom. This little upstairs story. We got a little. I ain't putting no couch here yet, but it's like a little medium room. Supposed to go right here. And then TV gonna go over here. But we finna go downstairs. See if you feel me. Okay, so boom. This is the washing machine and the dryer. I ain't finna go now. I have to do hella laundry, bro. And this office. I don't got my table set up yet, cause the table right there. The lights, monitor, mic and shit, my printer and shit for clothes. Got a bookshelf and shit over here, my Mac and iPad right here. Shout out my nigga Charlie. I got another bathroom right here and shit. And then living room. Feel me, got the kitchen. Slice shit, fridge, air fryer, all that shit. Table. I need like a 70-inch TV right here. Then the couches and shit downstairs. It's another bedroom. And you go out back. I ain't finna go out here, but you go out back. You got the backyard and shit. But yeah. For niggas wondering where I been, bro. I been good. Hold on, I need to turn some lighting on this motherfucker. But yeah, ain't worry about where Takewe's been. Nigga, I've been busy. Need some water. Well, got no more cold water in the fridge, but they betrayed me. I'm just playing. But yeah. But yeah, today, bro, I'ma just be vlogging, bro. I'ma set up my desk and shit. And then it's back to business, like regular schedule program videos every day. Like a regular schedule program. So like, comment, subscribe, and like in, twin. Okay, so boom. So I set up the desk, got the desk set up. Y'all see my chair, my Mac, my monitor, mic, the light. It hit different. I got my books, got my iPad and shit to design clothes, got my headset. I got the whole little setup and my kettle for my clothes and shit. So I got the whole little setup. I got a wood desk this time. My other one, y'all know what the other desk look like. Bro, what do you want, twin? Wait, bro. Bro, I ain't gonna lie, bro. Like, look at my Mac, bro. Like, my Mac was so filthy. Like, it not even filthy. It just had, like, shit all over it. Like, weed, ashes, shit in the crevices. Like, but my girl cleaned my iPad, all my, she wiped down everything for real. Real MVP. So, new setup, and I fuck with it. This little room right here, bro, with the double doors. These double doors gonna make me a lot of fucking money, man. I'm calling it now, but hey. Okay, so day 2, you feel me? Hold on. This is like a continuation from the vlog I did the other day. I'm trying to get some lights on in this bit. This is like a continuation of the vlog I did the other day. Now, what y'all didn't see, like, the reason I cut it off and cut it back on is cause, hold on. Okay, boom, we got the TV on the wall now. The couch, you feel me? Couch, TV, room. I don't remember what I showed y'all, what I didn't. Table, you feel me? Got the kitchen and shit, pantry, washing machine. You feel me? Got the garage. The office setup finally kind of coming together, you feel me? So, boom, we got the setup. I'm finna put another monitor in here in a few minutes just to work real quick, and I'm gonna go upstairs, play the game a little bit, cause I just need to make a few videos and then I'm done for the day. Cause I'm back on my YouTube grind crazy. I've been working, you know, see life. Got a new couch in this bitch, just show y'all that, you know. Like life, bro, like, hey man, hella hectic, bro. So I ain't really been posting on this channel, but shit, we back this summer. Oh God, we back with it every day, folks. So boom, another edition. Boom, we got the couch upstairs. So boom, great couch. I'm not gonna pull this apart, but this couch actually a bed, bro. So you can pull these sofas out, and this turn into a bed. And then they still ain't sent the box spring for this bed yet, but this the guest bedroom. And then it's another bedroom right there in that corner. Then got the bathroom. And then boom, we got my room. You feel my bed messy cause I ain't make my shit yet. But yeah, my rest of my room clean. Got my TV mounted, mirror on the wall. You feel me? And then my motherfucking girlfriend graduation picture, class of 20. She graduated before me, class of 2020. You feel me? I got a little poster and shit. But yeah, we TV living. Oh God, we TV living. Oh God. So I got hella more content coming, bro. Oh, I forgot to show y'all. I brought the living room TV from my old crib. That's gonna go on that wall. But I was thinking like downstairs TV, 75-inch Samsung OLED, Ultra HD 4K TV. All the specs. I don't know nothing about TVs, but that's what all the specs was talking about. So I was thinking like maybe we go 85 downstairs, 85-inch TV downstairs, and take the 75 and you feel me, put that bitch on this wall. You feel me? Where boom, okay, I'm sitting on the couch, boom, I'm playing on the wall, bro. Like I'm fucking with it on, bro. So yeah. And then soccer ball. Me and my girl was up here playing soccer in the little living room and shit. Just having fun, cause it's carpet up there and it's floor downstairs, so you get hurt when you're on the stairs. But yeah, bro, I'm gonna start vlogging more too, bro, cause me and my girl be having fun, bro. I be having fun, bro. Just need to vlog more. But yeah, I'm gonna make a motherfucking breakfast, bro, today. This might be a 2-part vlog, you feel me? This might be I shit need to focus, twin. Shit, I had to turn my autofocus on. I'm finna make some breakfast, cuz. And then, hold on, let me fix my shit. Yeah, so I'm finna make, my shit still not focusing, bro. This shit blowing me. So hey, I'm finna make some breakfast, twin. And then, I'm probably finna continue my vlog for today. And then I got other videos I need to edit and make. But hey, yeah, so y'all finna walk it with me through the breakfast tutorial, man. So I don't even know what I want yet, but I kind of do know what I want. I'm gonna make me like a 3-part breakfast. Oh God. So first, hold on. So first, I'm gonna make some yogurt. I got some yogurt, some raspberries, and some granola. So I'm gonna make me a little parfait. I don't know what, I'm gonna move my camera to this little island, baby. Alright, so yeah, I got the yogurt and granola, bruh. So I'm gonna make me a little parfait. I got some bacon and shit too. Fix that. I got some motherfucking like bacon pieces and some motherfucking sausage patties. I'm gonna throw this hoe in the little stove real quick. Then make me a little. I got some waffles too. I'm gonna make me a whole breakfast, cause like a whole breakfast on mom. So yeah. So we finna get that shit started. I'm finna go ahead and turn this motherfucker. Alright. Don't like what I saw. Alright, so gang. I had to put my hair up because I never couldn't see, but nigga, I actually hear the crackling and greasing, folks. Oh God, I'm cooking over there, but I had to cut the camera off because a nigga needs to lock in on the cooking, folks. So I'm trying to set my tripod up so y'all can see. But yeah, so basically, I got me a bowl now, some yogurt. No, I'm gonna get the raspberry. We're gonna get a little, it's just vanilla flavor, some simple shit. I don't really like all the extra shit. Well, we're gonna toss some motherfucking, a little bit of vanilla yogurt in this bitch. Get some vanilla. I don't like how chunky my granola is in this bag, bro. I usually be a little bit more broke down. This honey flavored. Just some honey. Cause I'm damn near in here bringing that bitch up myself. I just gave me some granola bars and like I'm damn near breaking up granola bars and shit. So I like to mix mine up a little bit because I like a little bit granola in every little bite. So boom, that's granola. Then we got some raspberries, fresh raspberries. Wash our raspberries, but I wash my raspberries before I even like eat any of them. So got some raspberries in this motherfucker.